Okay guys, next step that we're going to learn is palo lado. This is the symbol for palo lado. It's the same step as going forward and back, but all we're going to do is we're going to go side to side. First step we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate it, and then we're going to break it down by the numbers. Ready? And side 2, 3, side step 2, 3. Start with the left and finish with the right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and stop. Now what we're going to do is we're going to break it down for you. What we're going to do is start with the left foot, okay? And then we're going to go with the right. Ready? 3 counts. Start with the left open, lift the right foot, bring it back down, and then together. That's 3 counts. You hold, and then you're going to go into with the right foot. Ready? And right foot, lift up the left, bring it back down, and together. Now let's put it all together. Ready? And left 2, 3, right 2, 3. Left 2, 3, right 2, 3. Left 2, 3, right 2, and stop.